1. Noun. Definition: a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: person, boy, doctor. Place, park, school. Thing, dog, car, hat. 2. Pronoun. Definition: a pronoun takes the place of a noun. Examples: I, me, we, he, she, it. Sentence: she is going to the park. 3. Verb. Definition: a verb describes an action or state of being. Examples: action, run, talk, think. State of being: am, is, are. 4. Adjective. Definition: an adjective describes a noun or pronoun, indicating what kind, how many, or which. Examples: happy, strong, 5. 5. Article. Definition: an article comes before a noun and is a special kind of adjective. Examples: a boy, a car, an ant, the cat. 6. Adverb. Definition: an adverb tells how, when, where, or to what extent. Examples: how, quickly, when, yesterday. 7. Preposition. Definition: a preposition is used with a noun or pronoun to form a phrase. Examples: at home, from my house. 8. Conjunction. Definition: a conjunction joins groups of words within a sentence. Examples: and, but, either, except. 9. Interjection. Definition: an interjection is a strong feeling or a sudden reaction. Examples: wow, oh, wow, that's amazing.